Here's question 19 with a lot of text, relatively a lot of text. Last question is, which new equilibrium would result from the changes? I guess X is the original equilibrium, and this is the South African government. They proposed stimulating business activity by the removal of regulations. That will shift the aggregate supply curve. It also announced that government expenditure was expected to grow by 7.1%. That will shift aggregate demand to the right. So I think X's original equilibrium point, I think C will definitely be the new equilibrium point. It cannot be any other, right? And hey, this is beautiful. Here's an aggregate supply curve that's actually curved. That's maybe 19 is an easy question. How about question 20? 20 says, what would be certain to cause a fall in the country's cost of living? Let's see. Certain to cause a fall in the country's cost of living. Oh, a fall in real incomes. That will reduce aggregate demand. That's not going to change the cost of living. That will reduce people's living, reduce what they can buy. So B, reduce their standard of living. B, fall in the inflation rate. A fall in the country's cost of living. Not sure. It depends on the increase in real incomes. A fall in a country's cost of living. This might, but B might, but let's try C. C says a negative inflation rate. So C is deflation, so prices will fall. That will decrease people's cost of living and raise their standard of living, possibly. So C is the answer. D says a reduction in direct tax rates. That will not directly cause a fall in the country's cost of living. It depends on what the direct taxes are, what goods and services have a direct tax. And usually direct taxes are in luxuries. So best answer for 20 is C.